Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track unit out of a '69 Mustang. This comes from Bill in Cross Plains, Wisconsin. Bill has requested that this unit be repaired to original stock, which most of them no longer can, but this one was a pretty good candidate for it, so it's still just an AM-8 track, and we're here to make sure it all works before we send her back. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to the one strong AM station I get in my area.
Incriminating and kept in the case.
And we'll just make sure we got both speakers working.
But we'll see. I mean, it does seem
balance left.
Like this, I mean, there's no question
balance
that
right.
for most of us gave
left.
False information,
right.
Because the Steele dossier was false.
Center him.
And a lot of it came from Dan.
Okay. Anyway, we've got two weak stations near the other end of the dial, so we'll just make sure those come in. They don't always.
Arizonans are facing big challenges.
So there's our AM coverage there. Go back to the strong station. Let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedecki here.
He's not a Russian agent.
There are plenty of fish in the deep blue sea. Shopping. I'm not gonna listen to the some of the business and pretty little eye.
Alrighty, pull tape out, and the radio comes back. And that's it. It's ready to go. Make sure the dial light works. Let's just turn this off and turn this on for a moment, and we have dial lighted. You can see it kind of peeking out of the top there, the green dial light. So she's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and because of my reputation for the last 16 years of excellent service, I get way more work than I can put out in a reasonable amount of time. So I do ask all customers to visit my website instead of calling me with a whole bunch of questions. My website is designed to answer all those questions, and the work order you have to fill out will answer those questions at the same time. After you have a work order printed out, if you still have questions, you're welcome to call me. Otherwise, I do request that all customers take care of the pricing options and their questions through the website and through my work order. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Bill, for your business all the way from Wisconsin. We'll see you guys next time. Okay.